Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of applying for an Apple Card and getting approved step by step. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before applying for an Apple Card, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements. You need to be a U.S. citizen or a lawful resident, at least 18 years old, and have an Apple ID. Step 2. Open the Wallet app. Start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store. Ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version for a smooth application process. Step 3. Tap on the Apple Card option. In the Wallet app, locate and tap on the Apple Card icon. This will take you to the Apple Card introduction page where you can learn more about its features and benefits. Step 4. Begin the application. Tap on the Apply Now button. You'll be prompted to enter personal information, including your name, date of birth, address, income, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. Step 5. Review terms and conditions. Once you've filled out your application, take a moment to review the terms and conditions. This step is crucial for understanding your responsibilities and the benefits associated with the Apple Card. Step 6. Submit your application. After reviewing the terms, submit your application. You should receive a decision within just a few minutes. If approved, you'll see your credit limit and interest rate. Step 7. Set up your Apple Card. If approved, you can set up your Apple Card within the Wallet app. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your card, link your bank account for payments, and add your card to Apple Pay. Step 8. Start using your card. Once your card is set up, you can start using it right away. Whether online or in store, enjoy the convenience and rewards that come with your Apple Card. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more great content.